Hello everyone, good afternoon one and all. I am Dr. Rupali Shirsat, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Shri Dr. R.G. Rathod Arts and Science College, Murtijapur, District Akola, and a pioneer member of this online platform, Botany for You. At the outset, I welcome you all on this fourth day of induction program for life science students. This is fourth session of induction program, and the theme of this session is career opportunity through competitive examinations. For today's session, we have 5 speakers from various sectors of competitive exams. The session will start with the talk of Shri Amit Bobde, IRS. Sir qualified for Indian Revenue Service for 2007 batch and worked as Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax at Wardha and Nagpur, and Deputy Director at National Academy of Direct Taxes. Currently, Sir is working as Additional Commissioner, Department of Income Tax, Pune, Maharashtra, and Sir will be talking on UPSC examination. The second speaker of this session is Shri Gajanan Khanande, currently working as Deputy Commissioner of Sales Taxes, Government of Maharashtra, Mumbai. Sir has joined this department in March 1996 as Sales Tax Officer and then worked on various posts in the department and now is Deputy Commissioner of Sales Tax Maharashtra. Sir also has a strong social network and always available for the students' help. Sir has also given a talk on our online platform in June 2020. Today, Sir is going to talk on MPSC and other civil service examination. The third speaker for the session is Dr. Suresh Jadhav. Sir is the founder of Premier Academy of Administrative Services, Nagpur. Sir was selected for UPSC Group B, and prior to that, he had worked as medical officer at Government Medical College, Nagpur. Sir have about 20 years of experience as a faculty of MPSC and UPSC. He has organized and conducted more than 500 seminars for UPSC and MPSC, and also acting as faculty of Babasaheb Ambedkar Research and Training Institute. So far, Sir acts as counselor to more than 1 lakh students, and number of his students have cleared MPSC and UPSC examinations. Today, Sir will talk on MPSC with special focus on PSI, STI and ASST exam. The fourth speaker for the session is Dr. L.V. Padmarani Rao from Nanded, Maharashtra. Madam is currently working as Professor in PG Department of English at Yashwanta Mahavidyalay, Nanded. Madam has more than 28 years of teaching and more than 21 years of research experience. Madam has completed 2 minor and 1 major project, and she guided 10 MPhil, 8 PhD students, and 6 students are currently working under her guidance. Madam has published 72 research papers and 11 books so far. Madam has worked as resource person at various universities in Maharashtra. Today, Madam will talk on communication skill. The fifth talk of the session will be delivered by Shri Vishal Raut. Sir is graduated from Amravati University, Maharashtra, and started coaching in mathematics. Currently, Sir is working as Director of Easy Maths Coaching Center, Akola, Maharashtra. He is going to talk on preparation of banking, railways and staff selection commission exams. So friends, today we are having a complete package of speakers and it will be feast to you all. On behalf of our online platform Botany for You, I heartily welcome all the guest speakers for this session. And now I am taking leave. Keep watching our channel to get more on academics and career. Thank you very much. Thank you.